Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy. Hello everyone. Welcome back to another quick, easy to learn guitar tutorial. So this song that we're going to learn today is going to be called WFM by REALESTK. So basically, it's just this loop or this chord progression. It's just going to be repeated up until the very end of this song. So there isn't really that much to learn here except for this particular chord progression or this loop pattern that's going to be played up until the very end of this song. So let's just skip the intro. Let's just get straight right into it, and yeah, let's go do it. And so for the chord progression that we're going to use for the entirety of this song, it's going to be this one right here. And you could basically just screenshot this video right now and just leave this video. I mean, we're basically done here. That's all you really need anyway. But if you want me to go through this chord progression right here, you want to stick around for a little bit, got you, man. Got you. So yeah, I mean, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to be plucking the 6th fret on the lower E string. It's going to be this one right here. Now I prefer to use my thumbs. Because, I don't know, I'm built that way. Yep. That's going to be the 8th fret on the lower E string, 9th fret on the lower E string, then the 6th fret on the lower E string. Yep, because the person who made the beat of this song, I don't know if it was intentional or not, but the sample kind of reminds me of the song Talking to the Moon by Bruno Mars. It's kind of like this. Yep, just like that. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to be doing a chord shape of the G sharp major 7 chord, which is going to be like this. And to do this chord, we're going to be pressing the 4th fret on the lower E string, dead string on the A string, 5th fret on the D string, 5th fret G string, 4th fret on the B string. There's going to be a dead string on the high E string. Yep, so it's going to be 4, dead string, 5, 5, 4, then another dead string. Yep, so it's going to be the 4th fret on the lower E string using our thumb. It's going to be the 5th fret on the D string using our index finger. It's going to be the 5th fret and the 4th fret of the G string and the B string respectively using these two fingers right here. That's going to be the ring finger and the middle finger. It's going to be another 4 on the lower E string. Yep. So all in all, it's going to be like this. G sharp major 7. The next up is going to be the F minor 7 chord. It's going to be like this. Now to do this chord, we're going to use our index finger to bar the 8th fret starting from the A string down to the high E string. And as for the rest of the chord shape, it's going to be dead string in the lower E string, 8, 10, 8, 9, and then 8. Yep. So once again, with a similar plucking pattern style, it's going to be the A string first, then the D string, then the G and the B strings all together. It's going to be the A string once more. Yep. So it's going to be like this. So once again, starting at the very beginning of the riff part of this chord progression, it's going to be like this. G sharp 7, F minor 7. Yep. Then lastly, it's going to be the B flat minor 7 chord, which is going to be like this. Now to do this chord, we're just going to be pressing. So to do this chord, we're just going to be pressing the 6th fret on the lower E string, that string on the A string, along with the 6th on the D string, 6th on the G string, as well as the 6th fret on the B string. It's going to be another dead string on the high E string. Yep. So all in all, it's going to be 6 dead. Yep. So all in all, it's going to be 6 dead string, 6, 6, 6, then another dead string. Yep. So all in all, it's just going to be the 6th fret on the lower E string, dead string on the A string. It's going to be 6th fret D string, 6th fret G string, 6th fret B string. There's going to be another dead string in the high E string. And to play this chord, we're going to use the same plucking pattern as well. So it's going to be lower E string, D string, G and the B strings. It's going to be the lower E string. Yep, so it's going to be like this. Yep, so all in all, back from the very beginning, it's going to be like this. G sharp 7, F minor 7. It's going to be the B flat minor 7 chord. Then after that, we're just going to be repeating that entire loop or that entire chord progression for a total of 22 repetitions, basically. So it's just going to be like this. One more time. So on the very last B flat minor 7 chord that we guys are going to do on the 22nd repetition of this chord progression, I prefer to end it all off on the very beginning, or like on the very first part of the chord progression, this riff right here. Yep, I think the song also ends on this pattern as well. So on the very last B flat minor 7 chord, which is going to be right here, I prefer to end it on this riff right here. Yep, just for a bit of finesse, you know what I'm saying? A bit of style, bit of flavor. So yeah, once again, it's going to be like this. And once you finally figured that out, it's supposed to sound a little bit like this. Wait for me. Wait for me. Wait for me. Wait for me. So yeah, this is the end of the guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this far into the video. Please leave a like if you've enjoyed it so that I'll know. Now please once again do not forget subscribing the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated from the future videos. So if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. I'll try to do it for you. And yeah, if you guys would like to watch my other guitar tutorials, just click these ones right here. So good, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.